y'all, welcome back to the Faithful Farmer Mama. Today is the first day of spring. I am able to sit outside with a light sweater and be comfortable here in central Oklahoma. For us to be able to remember where we start every year, it's really nice to do a garden tour. There are a million garden tours all over YouTube, but today I do want to show you our garden tour here in the central Oklahoma area on the first day of spring. By the time you see this, it'll probably be 4 days after the first day of spring, but this will give us a great idea of just how far our gardens have come from March 20th to June 20th, and then again to September 20th. It's amazing to me how fast our gardens can change in such a short period of time. Let's go out in the garden, guys. So before we actually head out to the garden, first I want to say thank you and for being part of my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please go down below, find the subscribe button. Make sure you click that along with the little bell. When you click the little bell, it actually will alert you when we post new videos. Also, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. It will help other gardeners all over the world know that this is a good video to watch. I also wanted to shout out a big thank you to last week's collaborator with me, which would be Jennifer and her organization tips. She is an amazing gal. If you haven't gone and followed Jennifer on Instagram at This Left-Handed Life, I think that's the name of it, I will put a card up here where I talk about it, and I will also, I think the card's going to be on this side. Also, I will link her Instagram page down below. Go give Jen a follow. Also, another thank you out to Dee Porter. My sweet friend came and visited this weekend, and she brought me this adorable necklace. Guys, it has a chicken. How can you say a chicken is not cute? This chicken is perfect. Looks great with my outfit. Thanks, Danielle. So this part of the spring always amazes me because I come out here and look at these garden beds and just can't imagine them full at all. But things are still growing here in the middle of winter and spring, and I will gladly show you all of them today. I am so excited about what's to come this gardening season. So our cut flower garden is a work in progress. I've been trying to turn in compost and nutrients, all kinds of stuff, and it's just taking a lot of work because the ground was so new last year. But I do still have some garlic growing in this area, and to my surprise, some of my bulbs with beautiful spring flowers are growing and blooming. Time of year is so fascinating to me because we still have days that get really, really cold, and at night there are a few days that go down in around 40-ish. We are, like I said, expected to have another frost date before the 19th of April, so that's a little scary, but it's pretty awesome that we still have things growing here in the garden. Most of them are frost hardy, meaning that they can handle a little bit of frost without actually dying, which is huge. You would never want to put things like tomatoes and peppers because they do need 45 degrees or hotter in order to even grow. So that's huge for them. But things like peas, cabbage, broccoli, carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, things like that, they actually can make it in cold weather just a tad, enough to keep them growing until the warm weather comes. Thank you guys so much for being here again today, and I'm really glad that I could share this with you. I plan on doing a mid or a late spring tour so that you can see the difference between now and then. Bye guys. Have a great afternoon.